Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Sindh is badly affected by the flood water. Al Mahmood Welfare Association is starting with flood affected people of Sindh in these hard times. Today, we are in Miro Khan to feed flood affected people. Flood relief activities carried out by Al Mahmood Welfare Association up till included. Number 1. Distribution 40,000 ration bags. Number 2. Free medical camps. Number 3. Cooked meal for 80,000 people. Number 4. Distribution tents, troubles, plastic sheets, food, water and something else for flood affected people. President Al Mahmood Welfare Association is Maulana Nasir Mahmood Sumrao Sahab. General Secretary Al Mahmood Welfare Association is Rashid Mahmood Sumrao Sahab from Ali Sumrao, member of Al Mahmood Welfare Association.
खल्क की खिदमत अल महमूद है, नूर है, नेमत है, रहमत अल महमूद है, सरतापा खल्क की खिदमत अल